Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to make this no-bake, 2-ingredient chocolate swirl fudge. So let's get started. I have melted my chocolate chips over hot water. And I've also softened my peanut butter over hot water. Add 1/2 cup of peanut butter, approximately. Mix that in. I lined a container with parchment paper, and I'm going to pour my chocolate in. Add some more of this peanut butter. And swirl. And I'm going to set that in the refrigerator to set up. Okay, these are all set up now. And there you have it. Chocolate swirl fudge. No bake, 2 ingredients. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. If you like this video, please click like, as it helps in the YouTube algorithm.